guys, welcome back. Mr. Scout, I'm gonna have to leave if you're chewing on your feet. Gonna have to leave if you're chewing on them tootsies, okay? My tootsies don't chew. Love you. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. I changed up the situation a little. It's still a work in progress. I don't even know if I want this in my background anymore. I don't know what I want in my background anymore. I don't know what I want in life anymore. Well, we are gonna figure it out together, I'm sure. But for now, let's style some outfits, some summer elevated outfits together. So, you're going to see some pieces that are new that I just showed in my recent summer clothing haul. So if you haven't checked that out, I will throw it in the cards because that's how we're getting into it. I'm excited for these pieces, hence why I bought them. But yeah, let's jump in. So you know the drill. I have 4 outfits that I either can't wait to wear, want to wear, will wear, have worn, all the things. We get dressed, we chit chat, and we style things together. And I'm excited. So let's do it. Let's do it, let's do it. We're busting out overalls. I love overalls in the spring and summer. I mean, technically, is it actually summer yet? I think it just now is summer. But you know, it's a billion degrees in Texas, so it's summer. Okay, ooh. So let's, oh gosh, overalls. Let's pop these guys on. And, you know, I'm still like gimping around because I fell down mowing my lawn. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm a mess. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hi, boo. Thanks for the saving. Thanks for saving me. I love you. Thanks for trying to save me. I love you. I know. Hi. Hello. Good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Go lay down. Okay. Alright. Also, if you hear creaks in the floor, it's because it's creaky floor. Pants are on. Let's put on this little olive tank. Are you kidding? This I got from Target. I'm so obsessed with, so let's put this on. There's just something about an overall that is so freaking cool. Okay. Maybe you don't think so, but I think so. Alright, so let's pop these on. I'm gonna put on my little olive tank and we'll get to it. Also, if you see sauce all over my robe, I was making some bomb gochujang cucumbers last night. My mouth is watering, but I have heartburn because I ate an entire cucumber with sriracha, gochujang, soy sauce, sesame oil, sesame seeds. My mouth is so good. Try it. Try it. So, my whole like goal with these like tanks was to wear them with overalls because I just think they're like perfectly done. Hopefully, yes. Look, are you seeing it? Okay, are we seeing the vision? We're seeing the vision. The vision is seen. Okay. Scout's looking at me like, the heck's wrong with you, lady? You got all day to hear? You got all day to hear about it? Okay. So you see how I was like thinking like this would just perfectly pop up. It's like so cute. You don't need a necklace. It's just like perfectly so cute. I'm obsessed. Okay, so these are old overalls from Abercrombie, but just find like a kind of like looser leg, which is what I really like about them. I do feel like they're a little like short on my torso, but such is life. So, oh, I didn't realize I could let some more out. I wish they were a little bit like baggier in the crotch, but they're fine. So cute. Okay, and then also from my Target recent order, I grabbed these little rope sandals, which I thought would be really fun to complete the like, I don't know, dorky little look that I'm envisioning on my foot. Okay. Papa Red, I think, is gonna do something. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Are we seeing the vision? It's kind of cute, right? Okay. So, next, we're gonna go in with a little baseball cap action to kind of match the shoes. I'm envisioning this for like an errands day, a soccer situation, something going to the park with Arlo. It's kind of what I'm thinking. Like, I just feel like sometimes during those times I reach for the basic boring outfits where it's like, I need to remember the power of just a super simple, comfortable, this is comfortable. Like I'm no less comfortable in this than I would be in sweatshorts and t-shirt, you know what I mean? Or denim shorts and t-shirt, and this is just so cute. I love it. It's fun. I like it. And I feel like I don't need any sort of like necklace or anything because this is the moment. Should I move that here so you can kind of like, I don't know. I hope my angles are okay. Girl, I'm just trying to get it together. You know what else would be really cute? I love if the hat is not a moment, which I think the hat just kind of ties in the red sandals, but it's not needed. All right, look number one, so cute. Definitely exactly how I envisioned this going together, so love. And I think these sandals are just really cute, like a fun way to kind of put on a really comfortable shoe that add a pop. So look number one. Let's move on to look number two. Okay, look number two. I'm just gonna let you know right now, skimpy. But I'm hopeful that it'll like work, okay? So if you watched my recent Cupshe video, which I will throw up in the cards if you haven't, just throwing that over there. I hauled this little, it's a set, but or you can wear it as a set, but it's not sold as a set. So I talked about in that video that I wanted to style these with like a black button down. I wish I had a black linen button down. I don't know why I don't, but I have a regular one. It's not as oversized as I would like, but I think it's gonna work. But these are sheer, but I'm thinking it's gonna be okay. Wish me luck, I don't know. Oh, so let's pop this off. And I'm gonna put on a little black button up. Okay, my vision with this is because this shirt on top is kind of like oversized and whatnot, like you can't see the bum, but also this is like a heavier knit that I feel as though it's not like super see-through, but I probably wish my shirt was a little more oversized, like I said. But I think this could be like a cute look, maybe not for every day, maybe for more of like a vacation or whatever, but I don't care. I still think it's adorable, and I probably would still wear it. I love these little mini shorts. I think they're adorable. Okay, and then I know that I would pair them. Oh yeah, that's right, the shoes. I think the shoes are gonna be a moment. Okay, so I have these lace-up shoes from Abercrombie, which I haven't worn in forever. They don't sell these. These are like old, but I will try to find something that's similar to them because they are so cute. All right, we gotta go down or I'm gonna fall again. I like a dainty sandal with this outfit because it just makes the legs look so long. Ashy, and I put on lotion last night. What is going on? Okay, so I think this would be great with either like a slick back or even just like full hair out of the face moment. And then I was thinking, see the issue, this has like a gold little aglet, but I wish that it was silver because I think silver and black is just the vibe. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to take out my earrings too. Let's see. Let's see, where are we in this? I was either gonna do that or earrings. I'd probably just do like a simple pair of like silver studs or silver hoops. But I like how this necklace kind of like pops but still in the shirt, if that makes sense. And then the look is complete. I think even just like a low pony would look so chic. Can't tell me nothing. I love black and white together with pops of silver, so cute. And then the little silver cuffs, so cute. I love this look so much. This is exactly how I envisioned it, and I can just tuck these away. I don't think anyone's really gonna notice that they're like silver or gold, but I could just tuck these away and you will never notice. I kind of love this. This is exactly how I thought to like elevate these, but obviously a swimsuit cover up, they're super cute for it as well. But look number two. I think it came together really freaking cute. All right, let's move on to look number three. Okay, so with look number three, we're going Americana, if you will. Okay, this is very much going to be like 4th of July, but make it kind of cool, okay? Not like 4th of July, like cheesy 4th of July. Not like red, white, and blue bathing suit. Like, I could wear this multiple times sort of look. Okay, I am in between 2 different shorts, so let's see. I'm going to put on a little white tank because I know I want something hanging out of the top of my little sweater, because I feel like this is really like kind of look, you'll see when I get it together. So let's do that. So I was like really upset when I like messed up my ankle, because this is the ankle that I tore all 4 ligaments on when I was like a teenager. I went to basketball camp because my best friend was very like sports and I was very like dance. So I did sports with her and she did dance with me for as long as we could, until we realized like that's just not our thing, but we wanted to be together, you know what I mean? And I was doing like a layup at basketball camp and came down and tore all 4 ligaments of my ankle. So my strength in this ankle is already so bad, and now I'm old, so it hurts even worse. Whatever. Okay. So let's try with the navy shorts first, and then if not, we'll switch to the white. These are just like a little navy poplin short from Quince, and then I have this little Abercrombie tank on. I like these. I like the little detail here. And this band is really big, but I typically will wear something over it. But if you're wanting to do like a cropped look, I wouldn't recommend it because this band is like large and in charge. Okay, next. These sweaters also from Quince. Are we surprised? Not at all, Kelly. So cute. I love that it's like an oatmeal cream. It's not like white or navy with the American flag, which I feel like makes it just 10 times more wearable all the time versus just for the 4th of July, if that makes sense. Okay. Now this is really oversized because I got an extra large plus. I haven't washed it or done anything with it yet, so bear with me. I'm gonna do kind of like a bun type of thing, like a messy loose bun. See how the tank kind of pops out a little bit. Okay, so this is the navy short, and I was gonna do my clocks with it, and let's find a pair of sunnies that I like to do. These are filthy. Why are all of my glasses just filth? Okay, so this is it with the navy. Do I like it? I mean, it's not bad, but do I love it? I don't know. So I think I'm gonna try it. Yeah, I actually think I do like it. I love the layered look, and I know that you're like a sweater in 4th of July, but listen, it's cute, and you could always just throw it on over the shoulders as well if it's too hot where you live. But this is more of like a night cap to a sweater, if you will, or if you're hanging out inside, who knows? I don't care, I don't judge you. But let's try the white shorts just to see if I like it any better. Okay, so this is cute, but I think I honestly like the navy ones a little bit better. Sound off, what do you think? I think the navy just kind of like pops a little bit more, but they're both equally as cute. I feel like that's a little darker, a little more vampy. This is very like beachy, coastal, but both really cute. So look number 3. Let's move on to the 4th and final look. And it also includes all the things from my recent haul because I'm just so excited. Hence why I saved it for last, because your girl's gonna wear it for the rest of the day. Well, actually I'm lying. I'm gonna wear it after I go to the pool as a reward for myself, and then I'll put it back on it after we go and look for mulch at Home Depot, because Scott wanted black mulch. I bought black mulch, we put it down, and we both were like, maybe not. You know, maybe this just wasn't the move, so we left it in his car. I'm sure his car smells horrible. All right, let's pop on denim white shorts from Zara. Love these white denim shorts. They're literally probably my most perfect short. I could have at least steamed them for you guys, but I didn't. I actually don't think I could have found a more perfect pair of white denim shorts. So now let's put on this little green button up. I'm excited. I did wash it and dry it, so I'm hoping it shrunk a little bit, but I really don't think it did. So we're just gonna embrace the oversized. Let's do it. And still incredibly oversized, but we are just making it work. think the yellow one that I have from them is pretty oversized too. I didn't think it was this oversized, but maybe because I've washed it and worn it so much, I don't remember. But I really don't care because I love an oversized button up. It just like gives me all the things, all the vibes. I'm gonna do like a little half up hair clip. Are we bringing back the poof? I'm here for the poof. I love a good poof, mostly because I have flat, boring hair. So poof really just does it for me. Sometimes when I leave too much stomach out, I feel like I'm like a pregnant lady trying to show off her bump. But I'm like, that's not where I'm at. It's not where I'm at. It's not my truth. It's not my story. Okay, next up we're doing little Zara sandals, which they have again in this season. You probably should snag them because literally every time I wear these shoes, I get comments on them. Every single time. Like in real life. Why do I talk like that? Okay, this is like me, fully me. I'm so happy for these white shorts. They're so comfortable. Okay, now let's do some, I should do gold bangles because I have gold in my shoes, but again, I don't care. Oh, ow, ow, oh, ouch. And since the shirt has some like stripes to it, I don't really feel like I need like a necklace or anything. I mean, you could, but I don't really feel like I need it. I feel like a belt would look really cute. Hold on. I do know that belts like this will like stain white down, so I need to be careful with that. It's kind of finished on the back, it's not fully raw, but I remember that with my Abercrombie belts back in the day. I went ahead and unbuttoned one more button towards the top, and then I'm gonna button one more towards the bottom and let the thing kind of fall back a little bit. I like that look a lot, but it is gonna like cover a lot. But thank God the shorts are long, so it kind of still just like peeks out a little bit. But look number 4, I mean, honestly, my favorite. I love this green. I think it screams spring, summer. It's so cute, and I think the brown accessories kind of help it pop. So yeah, that was look number 4. That was it, you guys. I'm always curious to know, what was your favorite outfit? I think I liked the first one the best, and then this one. The first one was so fun. So maybe that is what I wear to Home Depot. My big plans as a suburban mom, you know. Arlo's with Granny this weekend, so Mom and Dad have some fun time, but we have a birthday party. We have lots of stuff going on this weekend, but it's never dull around here now. After you buy a house, you realize. So I hope you guys had fun watching me style these outfits, chit chat a little, and yeah, just go through the process of it. I will have everything linked in the description box or the YouTube shop button if you're curious to check anything out. But I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next one very, very soon.